Hello, boys and girls in Miss Leston's reading class of 2020. I wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to access your book and also how to access your Wonders program through your portal. So here we have a portal of somebody who was kind enough to give me his information so that we can log in. So here you are. Once you're logged into your portal, you're going to go ahead and you're going to scroll down and look for the class that you have with me. And the class that you have with me is reading, writing, and language arts. So you're going to click on where it says reading grade 4. You're going to click the little textbook. And then when you click that, you have two choices. You have the first one and the second one. You're going to click on that first link, and that first link is going to take you to your Reading Wonders for 4th grade. Here, you have, some people may have two choices. I don't know why that comes up because this is a 5th grade choice, so you shouldn't have that. But the one that you should have is your Reading Wonders grade 4 book with the cheetah, like on the front of it. You're going to go ahead and click launch, and this is for your Readers Writers Workshop. So go ahead and click launch. And once you click launch, you're going to see that you have some choices. You're going to disregard the ones on the very top. And the one that you're going to pick is the one that says Leston AM 2020-21 or Leston PM 2020-2021. And basically what that is that the AM is for my morning group and the PM is for my afternoon group. So you're going to pick that one. It's probably the last one on that list. And once you click on that, it's going to show you your dashboard. And on your dashboard is going to be the things that you have available to you in the way of assignments and games and other apps that you have to do on your Wonders. Now, we're going to go into assignments later, but here, if you see the to-do list, here you have the things that you need to do, assignments that I've assigned to you. And the only way that you know that, of course, is if you log on to your portal and find it here where it says to do. But we're not going to go into that right now. We're just going to go into how to get your books. So once you're here on your dashboard, you're going to click on resources. And when you click on resources, you're going to go all the way to the left and you're going to click where it says my books. And in my books, the only two that you're going to be using are the Reading Writing Workshop for grade 4 and the Literature Anthology for grade 4. For purposes of just a tutorial, I'm going to click on the Reading Writing Workshop. And in the Reading Writing Workshop, your book opens up and you can either turn the pages and go this way, or you can type in the page if you already know the page down here. Another way that you could do it is if you look at your table of contents and you know that you're in the unit, the proper unit that you are in. Like for example, we're in Unit 1, Week 1 this week. So I'm going to go ahead and pick on the dragon problem because I already know that that's the story that we're doing this week. And if you hover over, it'll tell you to go to page number 22, which means that you can also down here type in page 22. I'm going to go ahead and click on it because it allows me to click on it, and it's going to take me straight to the dragon problem, which is the story that we're doing this week. So you can read it, or you will read it, and you can also have it play it for you. And I think if I click on it, it should play it. I don't, maybe not. Okay, so it doesn't play for me, but it should.
Genre,
there it is.
fairy tale.
Yeah, so there
The
it is.
dragon problem.
Okay, so if you click on it, it'll play for you. And
once upon a time,
if you hold
long
it a little
before
bit,
computers,
it'll play.
baseball, or pizza.
Okay, so that's basically how you go ahead and you get your book and you open it up during using your portal to get to Wonders. I hope this was helpful and I hope that you're able to open it up. So have a great afternoon, boys and girls, and happy reading.